Embark on a life-changing journey with our comprehensive guide to the USchool college application process. Discover the significance of this pivotal phase and how it shapes your future. From selecting the right college to nailing your application materials, we're here to provide expert guidance every step of the way. Research. Uncover the secrets of finding the perfect college that aligns with your aspirations and goals. Explore academic programs, campus culture, location, and financial aid opportunities to make an informed decision. Application materials. Master the art of preparing transcripts, test scores, essays, resumes, and extracurricular activity lists to create a compelling application. Learn how to present your achievements and experiences effectively to stand out from the competition. Recommendation letters. Harness the power of impactful recommendation letters that showcase your unique strengths and abilities. Get tips on selecting the right recommenders, providing them with necessary information, and ensuring strong letters that leave a lasting impression. Essay writing. Craft captivating personal statements and supplemental essays that leave a lasting impression on admissions officers. Learn techniques to convey your personality, experiences, and aspirations authentically, captivating the reader's attention. Standardized tests. Ace the SAT, ACT, and other standardized tests with effective preparation strategies, boosting your chances of acceptance. Discover tips on studying efficiently, managing test anxiety, and optimizing your performance on test day. Financial aid and scholarships. Navigate the complex world of financial aid and discover hidden scholarship opportunities that lighten the burden of USchool expenses. Learn about the free application for federal student aid, FAFSA, scholarships, grants, and other financial aid options. Deadlines and timeline. Stay on track with a comprehensive timeline of crucial deadlines, ensuring a smooth application process. Be aware of application submission deadlines, financial aid applications, scholarship deadlines, and other important milestones. Interviews and campus visits. Learn valuable tips to excel in interviews and make the most of campus visits, leaving a lasting impression on admissions committees. Prepare for interviews, understand what to expect during campus visits, and make informed decisions about college fit. Application strategies. Unveil strategic approaches such as early decision, early action, and regular decision, maximizing your chances of acceptance. Understand the pros and cons of each strategy and choose the one that aligns with your goals and preferences. FAQs. Address common questions and concerns, providing clarity and guidance throughout the application journey. Find answers to queries regarding application requirements, standardized tests, recommendation letters, financial aid, and more. Resources and tools. Explore a curated list of helpful resources, websites, and tools to streamline your college application process. Access online platforms, guides, and other resources that provide additional support and information.